Once you've downloaded the Unipass Mailock Outlook add-in, you'll have the option for Compose New Secure Email at the top and this new Mailock tab at the top as well. Click on Sign In and sign in with your Unipass identity. Once you've signed in, you'll have the options at the top for Account Details, Add-in Settings, Check for Updates, and About Mailock. Clicking on Account Details will show you all of the details held against your account. Add-in Settings will allow you to change any of the settings that you have for the Outlook add-in, and you can just change them by either ticking or unticking these boxes and clicking Save. Check for Updates will show you any updates for the Unipass Mailock add-in, and you can download and run them once they've appeared there. If you click on About Outlook, it will show you which version you're currently on. To send a new secure email, you'll have the option for Compose New Secure Email at the top left in both the Mailock and the home screen. So click on that, and just as you normally would, just type in the email address that you want to send it to, the subject of the email, and the actual body of the email as well. When you click on Send, it may ask you to set a challenge, as it does here. You can either choose to not send a challenge or set a challenge, and this is just something that when the receiver of the email tries to open the email, they will actually need to answer this question that you have asked here. If the receiver of the email has never received an encrypted message from yourselves, then you will need to set this challenge. However, if they have opened one in the past, then it's entirely up to yourself if you want to set this challenge or not. If they're a Unipass user, you will never have to set a challenge. If you just click on the normal New Email button, you still have the option at the top left. It will tell you the email is unsecure, and if you click that, it will then change to Email is secure. And the same again, just as a normal email, if you type in the email address for the recipient, type in the subject and the body of the email. As you can see in this case, the receiver has never actually received a secure email from us in the past, and so we're being told that we do need to have a challenge. So we'll just set a question and an answer, and then click Send. And so when the receiver gets that email, they will be asked to answer that question, and it should be something that they do know the answer to. If you need to revoke access to an email that you've already sent, perhaps it was sent to the wrong person or there was a problem in the actual email, just go to your sent items and find the email that you have sent and double click on it. From there, at the top left, you have the option for Email was secure, and if you click on that drop down, you will see you have Show Access Details and Show Challenge. Show Challenge will just tell you the question that you asked when that email, and Show Access Details will show you who it was sent to. You have the option there to revoke the email, and if it's already been opened, it will tell you when it was opened and whether the attachment that you sent with that was opened as well. And also it will tell you if they failed the challenge question.